Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can add spinning space effect in Capcut PC. So just select your video that you want to add it, and I think it's very simple. You are just going to effect and just click distortion effect, and here's spinning space effect, and drag here, and just for the twist filters amount, and then size like so. So here we go. Okay, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in this comment section down below, and don't forget to click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.